Here's my Atari ST when it came in. Like a lot of other people's computers, as you can see, it's got this nice piss yellow tinge to it. I wanted to do something about it, so I started looking at my options. Over the course of my research, I learned about a product called Retrobright. Retrobright uses ultraviolet light and hydrogen peroxide to remove yellowing from old plastics. The mixture has other ingredients to convert the liquid into a paste. That makes it more economical to use the process on items that are too large to dip in a pan. It also uses oxy as a catalyst to speed the chemical reaction. This is convenient for people who live in areas with low UV who need to complete the process indoors. I decided to simplify the process down to using just peroxide, since I live in the land of inexpensive hair care products, ample ultraviolet, and plenty of spare time on Saturday fighting daiquiri hangovers. I started by completely disassembling my computer and then removing all the keys from the keyboard. I wanted to do that anyway because, as you can see, it's full of crap. It was also a good time to do the Best Electronics TT Touch upgrade, which consisted of replacing rubber cups inside of my keyboard with slightly firmer modern replacements. I put my disassembled Atari ST into a large plastic container out in the sunlight, and then started filling it up with the 20% peroxide gallons I had gotten from the beauty supply for $6 each. The keycaps all started floating and flipped over, and the Atari itself floated as well. I pulled the keycaps back out of the solution and used a Pyrex glass cooking dish to weigh down the case, and then made a quick run back to the beauty supply store to buy this 40 volume cream paste. It was a lot easier to keep the keycaps upright in the paste. I then left everything unattended while I participated in regular Saturday afternoon activities for 8 hours. As soon as I pulled the keys out and rinsed them with water, it was apparent that they had improved significantly. Here is a comparison to my keys that I hadn't de-yellowed yet. One of these keys is de-yellowed and the other one is a brand new replacement from Best Electronics. Can you guess which one it is? The case came out pretty amazingly as well, and I'm pretty satisfied with the results. I've heard that this isn't a permanent process and that plastics treated with Retrobright can sometimes go back to yellow. I'm not overly concerned with that, as these things were never permanently white to start out with. As easy as it was and as satisfied as I am with the results, it won't be a big deal to do this again in a couple years if I need to. Stay tuned for my next episode where I start installing hardware upgrades.